In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an object from one AutoCAD drawing to another. First, make sure both drawing files are open in AutoCAD. In the source drawing, select the object or objects you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C to copy them, or use Ctrl+Shift+C if you want to specify a custom base point for more accurate placement. Next, switch to the destination drawing and press Ctrl+V to paste the objects. Click to place them in the desired location, or use the base point you selected earlier for precise positioning. This method is quick, efficient, and preserves the original geometry and properties of the objects. It's especially useful when reusing details, blocks, or layouts across multiple projects. Using a custom base point can make alignment much easier when transferring objects between drawings. It also helps maintain consistency when working with standardized design elements. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.